Hi friends, welcome to Crypto Vulture Trading. Today in this video, first we are going to see about the Bitcoin and overall market analysis. So that before I am asking you, in the description I shared the Telegram and other social media links along with my copy trading link. So those who want the super profits they can earn, and those who want the important info they can get from the Telegram and in Twitter and many other social media links also I shared. So try to follow them and get the information. Let's jump into the video. So first, in this video we are going to see about the first Bitcoin is our important thing. So this is the mother of cryptocurrency, so we need to see about the Bitcoin analysis. So in the Bitcoin analysis, if we observe in the weekly time frame, clearly it shows that right now BTC is clearly in the uptrend. So the recent August, when the US data has been came out, and the same day Japan index has been fallen down. Due to that reason, that bad reaction, the market got the proper pullback. So if you observe here, a clear cut pullback we can observe here. These two lines are meeting. So this retest, once this retest completed, in the daily time frame, if we observe, it is properly a uptrend. So from this moment, every time you can see a higher low. So here that lower highs are not forming. So here totally higher lows are forming, and the market is started pulling back after the Trump win. So as of now, this is the thing of about the market. But in daily time frame, if you observe that, it is properly showing the bearish divergence and a clear resistance box you can see in the 4 hour. So in the 4 hour time frame, if you observe that clear resistance box, you can observe here. So, but Bitcoin is not going to come down as previously how it is in the bear market, because right now we are in the bull market, but there will be a chance of a nice correction, because the correction is needed, correction is imminent in the market. So without correction, we can't expect the market go and a single straight way to upwards. And in the daily time frame, if you check with the 21 moving average, it came to near to test the 21 moving average. So if we observe that there is a chance of here, there can be, if the market want to meet the 100k price dollar area, it has to cross this resistance box, or else it is not possible. So the pullback, where are the chances this next correction and the pullback? So from the recent here, if you take it with the Fibonacci tool, if we search with the Fibonacci tool, there is a chance of three areas. So whenever a Fibonacci tool retracing till 38%, that is a bull market normal reaction. So it taken more reaction, it can be possible. But as of now, you are clearly, you can see here, this is the main chance. Why? Because here already pullbacks has been taken place. So if you observe that market has taken these many chances from, but this moment from the 68 point, you can't see any pullback. So directly it has been went to the $99,000. So it has to take one more pullback. So that pullback can be happen around 80,000, but around 77,000, there is one gap is there. So let's see how the market is going to react. Then our next important thing we need to see here, right now in the market, what is our view on what we need to do. So now this is not a time to get more included in Bitcoin, but we need to understand many metrics were there with the Bitcoin. So for that, if you see, the BlackRock now holding more than 8,71,000, 4,95,000 Bitcoins, and Fidelity is holding around 2 lakh, and Grayscale is holding around 2 lakh 15,000. So here, if you observe that all these Bitcoins are daily purchasing by this ETF, so institutional demand is there. So as of the technical analysis, we are seeing any bearish signs, but the rapid growth of these ETFs, we are not unable to decide that the market till where it is going to react, because now fundamental things are very important here. So right now I am not interested to trade more in the Bitcoin. Why? Because the market is slightly in the consolidation phase. Why? Because whenever Bitcoin is going to the consolidation and there is no increasing in the USDT dominance, that indicates that altcoins are moving. So exceptionally, that is a alt session is came in the market or not. Let's see in this video. So the next important thing, our major cryptocurrency, then the second, which is a deciding factor for the altcoin season. So here, if you see, a proper retest has been taken place here in this box. If you see in the daily time frame, you can observe the same box here. Once it is increased and taken the retest, and then a big correction came here, also the proper double time retest happened. From that moment, it is taken a almost 1 month consolidation here itself, 1 to 2 months. Then right now we are expecting the breakout is taken place. But to confirm this breakout, we have to cross at least $4,000, and that is the biggest resistant area. So here, if we draw a box like this, right now we need to cross this from 4,000 to 4,100. If it retested, maybe there is a chance in the market we can see the ETH like this, but most of the times it will never happen. First it will try and it will go kill there, and it will come like this. So there are many ways or chances. So here, we if you are an aggressive trader, just now you start taking the ETH trade. From here, it is going to a skyrocket. So for that, I will show the evidences why and what. First, if you see the BTC dominance in weekly time frame, here previous 2020, when the market has started seeing the evidence of the alt season, first what happened, a rate cut same like this year, the same in 2020 also rate cuts taken place. So from that moment, Bitcoin index came down and the dominance came down. So when the Bitcoin dominance is decreased, alternatively altcoins will increase. Then later, again Bitcoin dominance increased. Why? Because when the rate cuts happen, initially directly Bitcoin dominance will never fall down. First it will little bit increase. So the same way I am expecting here, right now it is falling down. There is this 100% chance little bit pullback, and then fake outs can happen. That's why I drawn this line till more higher, so that after that fake out, then finally it will fall down. So these fake out or this retest can be taken place around December 19 to 20, because the Fed interest rate decisions are going to come that day. So there will be a lot of volatility in the market. In that moment it can happen. Then our supporting is BTC ETH. If you see here, this is a multi-year trend line which is retesting from 2016 to till today. So right now the market has been clearly retested this point, and there is no chance of coming down more than this, because already it is died. Right now it has to break these trend lines, so which I have drawn. If this resistant trend line once it broken, there will be a huge market prices in with the Ethereum. There will be a rise in the, you can see that Ethereum around 10,000 to $12,500. In the case institutional investors started purchasing more and more ETH, that demand can lead to $25,000 also. There is no surprise. So in fundamentally, if you see the Ethereum overview, how they are purchasing, so if you observe clearly, holding Ethereum amounts, there are 600k around the BlackRock is holding, and 2 million Grayscale is holding. So and so other coins or other ETFs are holding some of the ETH. So here clearly the dominance is with the BlackRock. So BlackRock, if the same demand they continue, they've started purchasing more and more BTC and ETH. There will be a conflict, but I am not expecting that the both will happen at the time. There will be a chance of decreasing in the buying of the BTC, and more accumulation of ETH will be started. That leads to a great alt season. So right now there are the parameters which will decide that altcoin season index. If you observe that right now we are nearly entered to the alt session. So once the 75 points has been crossed, that is clear declaration of a alt season. So recently if you see the past 90 days performance, you can understand that the major altcoins have started performing more and more, and they given a huge returns. So here if you observe that the top XRP performance and Solana performance, so the XRP if you observe that 300 returns it has been given, and ADA is given 241. You can see TRX also given a little bit, Polkadot, Chainlink very important, and Sui is more important how it given the returns. So this is very clear understanding that alt season is started. But now alt season started. But what will happen? There is the correction is imminent in the market. Why the correction is imminent? Here, if you observe a clear double bottom pattern, you can see here in the USDT dominance. In weekly time frame, the same important trend line, whenever it reaches to that trend line, mostly it will start bouncing. And in the shorter time frame, if you observe like 4 hour time frame, there is another double bottom pattern you can observe here. So this is very clearing sign of the bullish for the USDT dominance. You can see the bullish divergence also clearly formed. So right now till where the market can react, maybe like up till to this box or just this area. Once if start retesting in that way, there will be a correction in Bitcoin. But I am not expecting the same correction with altcoins. Yes, but who are missed this much a big rally, there may be a chance you can buy. If you get a chance, try to buy it and try to hold. And the next video also I am going to share my 100k portfolio and how I build that. Definitely in that video you will get a more knowledge. So this is the outer view of the market. So here try to decide that not to go short on market. Just any pullback is there, any retest is there, any correction is there, just try to accumulate more crypto. I am not suggesting right now BTC. Total altcoins you need to grab it, so that layer category wise, and layer 1 layer 2 meme coins and all this stuff I am going to explain in next videos. So in this video this is the outer view. So have a nice day. Signing off. Stay tuned with Crypto Vultures. Don't forget to subscribe.